Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some gel. You can put gel or frosting or anything on here to help the chocolate clay stick to the board. So I'm just brushing the edges here with my thin down piping gel, just so it has something to stick to. It feels like it's pretty sticky all the way around. Yep, that feels pretty good. Okay, I'm going to lift this up. Oop, I didn't quite make it big enough, did I? Just roll it out a little bit more. Yes. And like I said, we don't need to worry about any flaws in this. It's going to be covered up by the poinsettia. Let it go over the side. We're going to put pearls around this so we don't need to worry about this raw edge. All I care about is the top. There we go. What I have here is some of my chocolate. And I'm going to make the branches, which is kind of, it's just a rough idea of how I'm going to lay out my design for my poinsettia. Now, as you can see, I have a couple owies here I really don't care for, and I could actually use my fondant smoothers and smooth it out, or a rolling pin, roll over it some more and try and smooth it. But I'm not going to bother trying. I'm just going to put my design right on top of it. So I'm going to roll to make my branches. Oops. And again, we really don't care. I just want them nice and thin. I'm going to put one of them coming out like this. And like this. So you can see. Now what I do want to do is I want to make sure that this chocolate clay sticks to itself. And so I'm going to use a little bit of water, not too much now, and just put it down there. And it'll stick to itself. It's just water. Okay. Okay, and it's just give me a general guideline of where my pine branches are going to go. Now my poinsettia is going to be right in the middle here. So I'm going to have a branch coming out that way. I'll have another branch coming out down here. This poinsettia is pretty big. Doesn't matter if some of that's going to get covered up. That's okay. Let's roll into little... you can use Tootsie Rolls for this too. If you don't want to make any brown, just soften up some Tootsie Rolls and use it. Works well if you don't want to dye it brown. Okay, get another branch here, another branch there. Another one coming out here. There we go. A couple pine branches going on. I think I want one more coming out down here. This is a lot like Tootsie Roll, actually, very much. And another one coming down here. Okay. And actually, it's going to be a little further down. Okay, so we've got a little outline going on there. I think we are just about ready to put our pine needles on.